Good morning, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Piece. Today I am going to be showcasing a few items that I picked up off of eBay and that I got from one of our fellow crafters, Crafty Bean. Now, I can sit here and say, if you've ever watched my channel, you know I am a BoBunny fanatic. I love BoBunny. I have for years. And so what I've been trying to do is complete collections, find collections, so, I can make sure I have what I need before, as we cut things up, we want to make sure we have the right amount of stuff to be able to come back and cut something up later on. So you guys know I'm on a crusade. But here are some things that I was able to secure off of eBay. I was able to find this Crafter's Companion stamp and die set. I am extremely elated that I was able to find this. It's pretty. I was able to find this Spellbinders. They say you can use this one with the hot plate, but at the same time, it's still the die. So I got this one. For upcoming Christmas crafting, I got this one. We'll see how it goes. I like the pieces, but you guys know how I am about a lot of little bitty pieces now. I got a Momenta set of tags, the die for it. I got this Sizzix die set, thinlits. Nice. I got this Sizzix. It says framelits. This is cute. I like this. Okay. Another framelits. Now I know for a fact this is a hot foil plate. This is a Spellbinders. This is going to be for Christmas. I got a Momenta, this lemon one. This is nice. I like this a lot. I got another Momenta. And then I was able to, what else is, then I was able to just like secure some Tim Holtz pieces on there too. So I got this one. I got a package of the remnants. Okay. I got a package of, I don't even know what you call these, but they're like the little vellum pieces. Okay. And then I got a package of these. These butterflies are just beautiful. They really are. And then I was able to, I think they sent this to me as a freebie. Okay. Now, I can show you some of the little vintage packs, BoBunny packs I was able to find. I'm gonna go ahead and just stack these up so I can get these out of the way. I was able to get, what is this, Butterfly Kisses collection. Now this is the pad to it. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of cutting up of it, but I like this. This is pretty. Okay. I got this. I have been saying for months that I was looking for this. These are the chipboard stickers that go along with it. And this is called, I think this is the Geneva collection. This is the Geneva collection. So I was able to get this. Believe it or not, blue and yellow are honestly one of my favorite color combinations. Love it. So nice. You know I love that too. Okay. You know I have black tie, but I ended up getting this black tie affair page kit. And as you can see, I'm just stacking them on top of each other because as soon as I get finished, I'm going to put them back up. This is the Back to Basics kit, a little bit, some of it. And I was able to get the World Traveler kit too. Here's the funny thing about this. I'm a person that used to go to Tuesday morning all the time. Never dawned on me. When I went in there, I was always looking for something else. Never dawned on me to actually pay attention to these types of papers. Excuse me. I would always see little things from Anna Griffin, and I would get those. I also was able to grab a few extra sheets she put in there for me. Well, they were part of the collection, so nice. These are double-sided too. It's nice. Just really pretty. Okay. So, guys, you know, I really didn't want this to be long, but I did want to hop on and take a minute to show you a couple of things that I have been able to secure for my little self this week. I have some other things that are coming in, but in the meantime, I still just wanted to go ahead and show you guys these. Like I said, if you know me and you guys have watched me and listened on my channel, you guys know I am a BoBunny fanatic. I've been able to get a few things from Miss Melody over the past few months. And I've gotten some things from Tina. And I just love these. I really do. I love all of them. So that is going to conclude my haul that I am showing you all from eBay and Crafty Bean on YouTube. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. And take care of yourself in the meantime. I greatly appreciate it. Take care.